Hey, dozens of people showed up in support of the restaurant industry and its employees, and cheers erupted when news of the restraining order reached the crowd. A victory lap for the owner of Adams Tap House and Grill in Severna Park. The Tap House and 3 other restaurant owners won a court ruling to temporarily block an executive order going into effect 5 p.m. Wednesday. It would have shut down eateries countywide for at least a month, all in an effort to stop the spread of the coronavirus. The court ruling happened just hours after the county executive modified his order, allowing outdoor dining, provided that no more than 50% of tent sides are down.
That's a total farce. Nobody's going to want to sit out underneath of a tent when it's below freezing outside and the flaps are up. So that helps nobody.
The judge writes that the lawsuit has a sufficient and reasonably likelihood of success, as the county executive appears to have relied on a selective interpretation of the data relating to COVID-19 that ignores other sources of COVID contact.
I mean, it's the holidays, we're laying off employees, which obviously nobody wants to do, and this is going to be the death knell for quite a few restaurants, this second closure.
The Restaurant Association, which supported the legal challenge, maintains its data shows that fewer than 2% of all COVID-19 cases have resulted from food service establishments. Stacy McDonald, who helped organize and pay for the legal challenge, says the county executive lacks the scientific proof to back up his authority. A hearing is scheduled December 28th.
The numbers have actually gone down in cases as of yesterday, and the hospitalizations are not up. So he doesn't have a scientific reason why to close the restaurants. He also can't trace it back to the restaurants.
County Executive Stuart Pittman issued a statement saying in part he's disappointed. Quote, "We look forward to a full hearing on the merits of the case, and in the meantime are discussing other options to protect the health of our residents," end quote.
People have tried to make this partisan. It is not. It is just calling into question whether any county executive can make arbitrary rules against one business versus another.
The county executive did not detail what those options are, but only said they would be designed to limit community spread. Reporting live from Severna Park, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.